Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove background in any photo using Capcut. So this is a Capcut transparent background video tutorial, and for us to be able to proceed, what we need to do first is to add in a photo onto our media in here. So we're going to import that one, and for us to be able to do so, we have the import button here onto the upper part. So if you click onto this one, you should be able to browse onto your different files to add in the photo that you want to use. Or you could simply drag and drop the photo as well in here to be added. So for example, we're going to use this photo, and to add this onto our timeline, we're going to click onto this plus icon. So since this is added onto your timeline already, to go ahead and remove the background for this, we're going to head here onto the right side and click on to cutout. If you scroll down onto the bottom part of it, there is an auto cutout feature. We're going to enable this one. And as you can see, if it is enabled, the background of the photo has been removed. So you could actually change the background already for this one. Let's drag this onto the upper part and let's add in another background so that the background of the photo has been changed. Just basically how you remove a background in any photo using CapCut. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.